So I want to thank Glowbiotics for sending this wonderful moisturizer to me. This is the Probiotic Skincare MD Gentle Probiotic Calming Lotion. I've been using this for a few weeks and I really like this lotion. I wasn't sure what to expect at first when I received it, but I've been pleasantly surprised. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It says that you can use it morning and night, and it's a gentle, lightweight, nourishing probiotic lotion, perfect for all skin types. It has hyaluronic acid, shea butter to help soften and hydrate, and calming extracts. And it's really nice because number one, you can use it for both your face and your neck. I've been using it primarily on my face. I tend to have oily skin, and this has been great for me because even though I have oily skin, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy. It just absorbs and just deeply moisturizes. I don't have sensitive skin, but I really feel like I've had some spots and just things have just been evening out. And so I'm just really pleased with the results of this. So this is what it looks like. A little bit goes a long way, and I just put a little bit over my face and it just absorbs right in. It does not feel greasy or heavy. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way, and it just goes right in. And it's so nice because I have been using this day and night, and sometimes when I use a heavy moisturizer at night, I wake up with my face feeling really greasy. I don't get that feeling. With this, my skin just feels nice in the morning. So it doesn't feel greasy at all. It just feels soft and smooth. And I just feel like my skin is just doing so well. It just feels like it's evening out and just really nice and soft. So very happy with this. Definitely recommend it if you're looking for something lightweight that'll really penetrate and deeply moisturize without feeling heavy. I use my regular skincare and it says to use this after, and it works really, really well. So definitely highly recommend this.